Alright boys, so we got the hydraulic e-brake hooked up and we got the angle kit. So we do still need some spacers, so I put my smaller Tomorow rims on it, but it's got all the angle we need now. So once I get the spacers, I'll get an extra probably an inch out of it because it's pretty well close to the lower control arms, so I can notch them, but I'd rather not. I'll just put the spacer on it and then we know we're good. So Sam's gonna get me a video here. We're just at this nice little spot and I'm just gonna play around for a minute. Alright guys, so I'm going to bring you guys along this weekend, and we're actually going to go to the burnout competition Sunday. So we're going to bring the transmaro. I actually want to, we're actually here at Robert's, so he just got done the BMW that you guys seen earlier in the video, got it cleared last night. So we're going to put that back on the ground, get it outside, and then I can actually bring the Trans Am in. And I'm going to show you guys how to do the cut knuckles on this. So I see a lot on YouTube that there's no one showing basically how to do it. I think I found one guy and he's like across the world. So might as well bring you guys along and show you how to do this, guys. Alright guys, stock angle. Alright guys, so you gotta get this knuckle off. So this is what we're cutting here. Take an inch out of this. Then we're gonna weld this back to this.
Stay steady, but yeah, no, that's perfect.
That's pretty clean.
That's perfect.
We'll just take that inch out. Alright boys, got the other piece cut off, see here, and this is the new piece here. I'm going to weld back on, so I took an inch out. You guys can see the casting lines up perfect. flat edge, right? Perfect. So you weld it just like that. We're going to angle all this so we get a good penetration on both sides, and fill this top side in real good. And then that's your angle mod, boys. All right, boys, got this all ready. I got it all notched, you can see, on an angle. So this is our piece here. So I'll show you guys from the other one. All right, so this is my piece we're gonna weld back on, and it's gonna go just like this. All right, weld that back on, and we'll go from there. So it should be pretty good like that, boys. You can see top's flat, it's just over a little bit. So we're gonna weld this up. Probably did, but I don't know what they want.
Let that cool right off, then bleed right, just let her shoot.
No. Sick, boys. Angle mod. Cut knuckles. Simple, effective, and we'll see you guys Sunday. Rob's shining this thing up for me, so I'm super stoked. Oh, I just knocked over your rigging, bro. Your old rigging, I just knocked it over. Your tinner. Look at it in the picture.
We showed up, man, as soon as we seen the taillights, we're like, yeah, it's ours.
Oh yeah,
As soon as we seen the taillights, we're like, yeah, it's coming over.
Angle mod. Yeah, boy. Look at that angle.
Buddy took him for a drive along. Buddy took him for a drive. He's like, here, get him.
Yeah, you know it.
Colin drove me back right away. Buddy's like, hold the fuck.
My spaceship. Sick, boys.
I didn't hear earlier for the two bumpers. That's cool.
Sick. Where's on my drink? So, put that there, and then full send it, boys. You know it. Alright, boys, hydraulic e-brakes hooked up also, and the angle kit. You can see the lines, so we're all good. I'm just gonna tie them up. We're ready to rock.